Heidi ho! Welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. My friend gave me this yesterday. He's Turkish, so obviously it's a Turkish coin. 100 Lira, 1987. Turkey. His name is Tarek. Friend that I work on the market with. So, this is going to be the sunny side up of the ring, but first of all, yep, you guessed it, we've got to punch a hole in it. Okay, let's go over to Big Bertha. Let's see what she's going to do for us. This is 20-ton press. Okay, camera shakes a bit because it's actually fixed to Big Bertha, so when I'm mucking around with Big Bertha, the camera seems to wobble around a little bit. Who's a naughty boy then? I don't know why I have to do that. This is now called the Penetrator by one of my subscribers. I was calling it the Tunnel of Love, but I prefer the Penetrator. Sounds a bit more mean. Right. There you go. So now we need to clean out this inside edge with Christy Burr, my deburring tool. These names have got crazy now. I named a few of them, like Spike and Big Red, but somebody named Christy Burr, and it's got crazy. I love it though, you know. These people are taking an interest. If you're new to the channel, there's a little button about there. I'm pressing it, but it's not working. You've got to press it yourself. You press that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, blah de blah de blah, you know the score. If you'd like to hit the like button, I really would appreciate it, because I'm still new to this game. I need all the help I can get. I don't get any money off YouTube or nothing yet. I mean, Jesus wept. I think you need 1,000 subscribers for that. I doubt if I'll ever get 1,000 subscribers. You might do. By the time I hit about 95, if I'm still alive. Right. Yeah, that's nice. That's pretty sexy. Oh, I don't know. Maybe a touch more there. Right, what's that? This is Jaws. I don't like this tool very much. I can't get on with it. So Jaws just swam off into the abyss. But it does save my hand, my left hand. I had a bad motorcycle accident years ago, and my left wrist says, okay man, that's enough of that. But this coin's quite big for Jaws, so yeah, even this was named by somebody, Jaws. You could just hold the coin with these. It's through 3D printed. I never made it. But it's good for smaller coins, but I don't get on with it that well. That's better. Right, let's show this baby some love, warm it up a bit. Bernie the fire starter. This is called annealing. check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings are now in EU size. If there's a ring there you like, I can adjust the size for you, up or down. I'm having to shout because of the noise of the fire. Oh yeah, right. I can quiet down a bit now. Right. Let's dry it off a bit. Right, there you go. This is going to be the sunny side up of the ring. Oh, nice, eh? You got the crescent moon and the star, some leaves and stuff, and the date. So this is going to go face down in our 17-degree die. Make sure it's nice and level. I'm a bugger, I always have to touch it a bit more. I get it straight, then I touch it again, and it goes on the piss. Right, this is a 17-degree folding cone called Conan, believe it or not. See, I'm still mucking about with it. So this is now fully folded, and yes, I want to break out sandy again just to give that, make sure it's nice and clean. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll help you make you one. All I need is your ring size. You can even send me your own coins. Few people do that nowadays. I still haven't heard back about the Christmas market I've applied for, but we'll see. Maybe I'll be lucky, hopefully. Right, now, I think I'll give it a bit more love, because it's quite a thick coin. Lovely jubbly. Okay. Let's dry it off. Now this is where we go down to the bottom end of spike. Will this fit in there? No. No, 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 no. Right. Maybe just turn this around. I'll be with you in a sec. There you go. This is the bottom end of spike, and these are reduction dies. Wow, this is a... Did I fold that enough? No, I didn't. I'm thinking that don't work very well. I haven't used spike. I'm thinking, hold on a minute, that don't look right. Right, let's break out a bit more kitchen roll. That's better. Right, I was thinking that don't seem to fit very well. This is spike. Use the kitchen roll to protect the detail on the inside of the coin. That's now slowly becoming a ring. With a bit of luck. quite a big ring, this. A touch more. A touch more. So if you're from Turkey and you're watching this, and you're looking for a ring, right, let's go back down to the bottom end of spike. Let's see what we've got now. Oh, these are fitting a bit better. I was thinking, hold on a minute, that don't seem to be working very well. Oh la la, cha cha cha. So you're just trying to get rid of that slight angle, that bow. Nope. Might be a bit more there I can use. Yeah. Still got a bit there. Goes the next size down. But you don't want to go crazy. You want to make sure it's nice and square in the die, which it is. There you go. So then walls nice and level. And this also has a bit of a lip on the inside, so we want to cut that away. So we break out Christy burr again. And I could probably use jaws now. Yeah. It's just easier to hold. If you don't do this, that little band on the inside is uncomfortable after a while. Yeah, still there. Nearly gone. That's gone. See that? That is now nice and clean. Right, let's break out Cape Bush. This is very similar to Quad Zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch it, it just cleans off the fire scale and lightens up a bit, you know. I mean, these Cape Bushes, they're really good, but they're not cheap. €6 for two. You know, if you're using a couple of them a day, and I make coin minks every day at the moment. So, does anybody out there got any other tools that will fit this that are cheaper? I'll have to use them. you go, Tarek. There's your coin ring. 1987. And there's a crescent moon and the star. And that's why you use kitchen roll on the inside. Well, let's clean it up a bit with some polish. You got any ideas or suggestions or things you'd like me to make or things you'd like me to do? Except bugger off. But if you want to say bugger off, why not? I'm never going to bugger off because I love doing this, but you know, you got any coin rings you want me to make, or you got any questions about making coin rings, or you know. Let's whack in Felton John. Give the outside a bit of a whiz round. That's getting a bit warm. Ouch, very warm. Oh la la, cha cha cha. Yeah, this is going to come out quite sexy. After the video, my girlfriend finishes cleaning them because at the end of the day my fingers are covered in oil, polish, God knows what else. There you go, folks. One Turkish ring. I haven't got my other ring on today. Right, what size have we got? We've got a size, this will be quite a big ring, but I can reduce it if you want. I could even make it bigger if you want. So this is a size, in EU size, this is a size just over 70. So thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Love you lots. Have a great day. Catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.